Hey guys, Steve at Toolbarn.com. Wanted to give you a quick overview of some of the newest things that we saw at World of Concrete this year. First thing we did was we went to Metabo HPT, formerly Hitachi, and they showcased their new multi-volt line. We saw this before in October and we shared some videos with you guys. They were showing off the speed of their recip saw, one of the fastest on the market, and the IP56 rating on their impacts. He had a bucket and he was turning it on underwater and then taking it out and using it. Thought that was pretty cool. Also, when we were at Metabo HPT, they said that their table saw is supposed to actually release a little bit sooner, and they gave us a couple hints about some new multi-volt tools that will be coming out in the coming year. And we're not supposed to talk about it, but some pretty cool stuff that they're talking about. Then we went over to Bosch, and they have a new X-Lock system for angle grinders. This is similar to the Starlock technology for multi-tools. They're trying to make it an industry standard. It's just a better and faster way to connect your grinding wheels or discs and different accessories to angle grinders. Other than that, they had some of their laser distance measures and some of their new other power tools that we've talked about in the past. Then we went over to Makita, and they have their new couple shaft. This is going to be available in either X2 cordless or 4-stroke. And it's just a bunch of different OPE tools that connect to the same motor. My favorite was the bristle brush attachment. It's a lot of fun to use. You can't really tell what it's really like until you put your hands on it, so that was pretty sweet. And they also have a 4-battery backpack prototype on display, and it's basically just a backpack. You put 4 18-volt batteries in it, and you can use it to attach to your X2 tools or your 18-volt tools, and so we'll see that in the future. Then we went over to DeWalt, and they're showing off their 1/2-inch mid-range impact, and it's going to be able to connect to your phone using Tool Connect. You can go in there and you can program all different settings that you want, and you can access the tapping mode, and in that tapping mode you'll be able to tap holes a lot easier and just pulling the trigger. Then we saw Ricky there from DeWalt, and he was showing off his new 2-inch combination rotary hammer. He says that's the biggest one on the market right now. Comes with the 12 amp hour battery and it really packs a punch. Also, he showed us the universal dust extractor. This is a little side pack, like an Indiana Jones satchel, and you can connect that to any rotary hammer or whatever you need dust collection on, and you're just a mobile unit. You walk around. It's not a full-on backpack or anything. It's just everything you need right in a small package. Over at Skilsaw, they're showing off their new worm job miter saw. It's like has no plastic components. It's all metal, all heavy duty, and a lot of power. And they had their beam cutting saw. It's basically if you were to put a Prezi beam cutter on any other brand saw, this one is all in one piece, so you know if it's one unit, it's always going to be a little bit better. That was pretty impressive. So there's a lot of new things coming out this year, a lot to be excited for, and all of it's going to be available at Toolbarn.com, so check it out. For more information in the future on all these products and even newer stuff, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.